Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the front bumper for this Kia Sportage from 2017. Okay, what you're gonna need: a sponge, an electric drill, and a toolbox with a couple of trim removing tools and screwdriver, whatever you want to use. Yeah, I have a damage on this side and I'm gonna have to change the bumper, remove the wing, spray everything. Yeah, but now let's focus on the front bumper. So what we're gonna have to do, as you can see, I have this trim removing tool. We're gonna have to remove this plastic rivets. Okay, you can put them on in a box or where you think it's safe, yeah, because we don't want to lose them. Okay, we're gonna have to unscrew these two screws, one here and one here, with 10mm, yeah, socket. Yeah, okay, now let's see. We have to check, yeah, if we have something else underneath. Okay, now let's go in a side. It's up to you where you want to go first, but I'm gonna go in this side to remove the bumper. I'm gonna take this trim removing tool because we're gonna have some plastic rivets here as well. Yes, so as you can see, we have one here, 2, 3, yeah, and 4. We're gonna have to remove this one as well. Done. And now we're gonna have a screw on top of the bumper right here. We're gonna have, actually it's right there, if you see it, yeah, it's with 8mm, okay, socket. Okay, now let's shake a bit the bumper. Let's see if it's coming out or not. Let's see, let's check it. Okay, so what we have to do, just shake the bumper. Okay, let's pull up the bumper like that and after shake, yeah. Okay, after we remove the rivets, the plastic rivets, we can go underneath, yeah, under the bumper, and we're gonna have to remove the screws, yeah. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws with 10mm. Okay, so let's grab the electric drill with 10mm socket, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, again, let's put the screws somewhere, yeah. You can use a box. Just try to don't lose the screws, yeah, or the rivets or something. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we're gonna have to go in the side, and with 8mm socket we're gonna have to remove one screw, which is like right here. Okay, Okay, after this we're gonna have to change the socket and use 10 mil, yeah, because we have to remove this mud cover. We're gonna have to take it in the side because we have another screw with 10 mil socket right here, yeah. So the 10 mil socket, the 10 mil screw, it's right here, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's go in the right side. Okay, let's put the screws here. Again, let's remove the rivets. This one is missing, so yeah. Now 8 mil. First remove the from the bumper, as you can see, bump. And now we're gonna have to remove this mud cover a bit, because we're gonna have to go inside here. Let's see if I can go in. I'm gonna have to use a ratchet. Let's see, I think I can use the drill. So keep in mind, yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's like 2 fingers down. Now let's try to take it out. Don't lose the screws. Okay, now let's pull. Okay, on this side the bumper came out easily, yeah, because the brackets and everything they've been already broken, yeah. But on this side we're gonna have to see. First let's remove the bumper. Okay, now let's try to remove the bumper. Okay, try to lift up the bumper all the time, yeah, because sometimes they have all these brackets inside and they are very tight. Okay, and we're gonna have to try to pull the bumper, yeah, to release from the brackets, and after pull outside. Okay, as you can see already, this one already came out, yeah. So we're gonna have to do the same with this one, yeah. The best way to remove this bumper is to ask somebody to help you with this one, yeah. Because you're gonna have a hard time. Okay, just keep in mind, you're gonna have a hard time to remove this bumper. It's even hard for me, because I'm keep stopping and pausing this video to see the best way to explain you how to remove it. Okay, and now, just like I told you, let's push up, let's lift it up. Okay, as you can see, this one is the biggest problem, yeah, because this one holds the bumper very tight to the body, to the brackets. Okay, the owner put this piece of shit here, and now I'm gonna have to take it out, and so don't break it. Yeah, like all the time when you don't want to break something, yeah, try to use plastic, this plastic removing tools, yeah, this for trims, yeah, because you're not gonna make any damages, or if you're gonna make any damages, they're gonna be very, very small on the clear coat or the lacquer, however it's called in your country. Okay, now let's shake the bumper and lift it up at the same time. Okay, okay, as you can see here, we have these two brackets. We're gonna have to take them out. I'm gonna use this one, or you can use a screwdriver. Yeah, lift it up. Okay, and now let's see what we've done. Okay, before we remove the bumper, let's unplug these two plugs for the fog lights. Okay, just press down and push, just press down and leave it, and that's it. This is the way how you remove this front bumper for this Kia Sportage from 2017. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just make sure first time check properly, yeah, follow the steps which I show you in the video, because even myself I had a hard time. I stopped, I paused the videos, yeah, to check properly, to give you the best advice when you remove the bumper, yeah. So if you're gonna have any friends, yeah, to help you, ask them to come and help you to remove the bumper, because you're gonna have a hard time if you want to remove by your own. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you like this video, you can give me one like. If you're not subscribed yet, you can go subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Okay, if you want to support the channel, you can go to my website snstuning.co and buy some stuff. Okay, and in this way you can support the channel and support me to make more videos like this, when I remove the bumpers, when I doing repairs and help people out. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.